All right, let's look at stock management. So every product that you create stock for and you enable track stock, you will need to at some point create stock for it. So if you enable track stock for a product, it means that you want that product stock to be monitored by the software. So how you achieve that is by after adding a product and enable track stock, you come to stock and then you click on add. When you click on add, you look for that product here by searching for the product name. Let's say okay, good, bandage came out. So I click on it by selecting it and I enter the stock quantity. How many quantity did you receive? Pieces now or each single quantity? Let's say 20. So batch is a code, a random code you enter just to indicate the batch number so that when the item is expiring, the program will display the batch number to you. So you can enter batch or you can ignore it. Total cost and total paid. These are the amount that this product quantity cost you and the amount that you paid. And purchase date is the date you purchase the item, while expire date is the date the date the product expires. If it expires, you have to enable this small tick box and then change the date. And note any note at all that you want to add to this stock that you're entering, maybe something that should remind you of why you entered the stock or any reason like that. So once you're done, you click on save and then the product will be added and you see it at the top of the list. So this is how we add stock. Remember, stock is for items that you enabled track stock or track quantity for. If you enable track quantity or track stock for any product, when I mean track stock or track quantity, this is what I mean. Let's go to products, click on add, and then we see track quantity. So if you turn this on, you must now go to stock as I just did and add quantity for that product. If you turn this on for any product, the program monitors the quantity. It reports to you what quantity is left in the reports when you're generating reports. So this is how we monitor stock quantity or quantity of a product. I hope the explanation, this video is clear enough. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.